Hello, my name is Hermadika Liappan 259380. Today I am going to present my project. My lecture name is Dr. Nur Azliana Harun. This report presents a classification of heart disease by using of neural network algorithm that's applied to classify whether the patient is with or without heart disease. According to the latest statistics from the World Health Organization, heart disease has a great deal of interest in medical study due to its effect on human health care. We conduct a classification on the heart disease patient based on 14 attributes and 303 patients. This dataset found from UCI Machine Learning repository website. Heart disease class become the target on this dataset, which is classified as 0 without and 1 with heart disease. The multilayer perceptron (MLP) network is used for artificial neural network in heart disease classification trained by the backpropagation algorithm. MLP is one of the most regularly used neural network architecture in medical decision support system, and it belongs to the region of supervised neural network. The data were randomly assigned to training 80%, which are 242 patients, and testing 20%, which are 61 patients. The training dataset is used to find the weight and build the model, while the testing data is used for find epoch and prevent overlearning during the training mode. 13-layer input and 2 hidden layers are used with base number 5 neurons in each layer to provide better accuracy for classification. The output layer consists of 2 neurons, which are normal patient and abnormal patient. In this slide, we can see two graphs, which are testing and training accuracy and MSE for heart disease. In training phase, the training accuracy is 88%, while the training MSE is 28% at epoch 100. Meanwhile, the testing accuracy is 84% and testing MSE is 43% at epoch 100. The reason of high accuracy is large number of samples are used to training the network, while a few samples are used to testing the network to get the best classification accuracy result. This neural network done about 41.5 seconds in a round of the experiment. Based on the result demonstrate, this neural network made a good result in the heart disease classification, but still need the minor improvement to meet the higher classification accuracy. In conclusion, this study may be accepted and be useful in public, which can classify the heart disease whether the patient has or with heart disease. That's all. Thank you so much.